Namaste, friends, and welcome to yet another spiritual episode with me, Sudeep Nag, on the Pep Talk. Friends, today I'm going to tell you a beautiful story. A story about an eagle and a dove, and of course, a king. So, once a beautiful white dove was chased by a big, bright, sharp, strong eagle. And obviously, the dove couldn't catch up with the speed of the eagle. And as the eagle neared it, of course, to feed it, the dove went into a palace and straight to a great king, supposedly seated outside his chamber in the balcony. And the dove went straight to this king and pleaded in front of the king, saying, "Oh, the great king, oh, the mighty king, please save me. Please save me. I know you are a great king and you can do justice and take the decisions. This eagle, he's been chasing me from a distance and I don't want to die. So please save me." As soon as he finished, eagle comes and he sees that the king is holding the dove, and then the eagle says that, "Oh, the mighty king, why are you holding the dove? Why are you holding this prey of mine? It's my food." So the king looked at the eagle and pleaded as asked by or requested by the dove, saying that, "Let this dove go, eagle. Let it go. You feed on another dove, please." On hearing this, the eagle says that, "My dear king, isn't that cruel of you? Because of this dove, you want another dove to die and be fed by me? That's cruel." And then the king says, "Then do one thing. Don't eat any dove. Eat a rat." The eagle looked at the king again, said, "Oh, my mighty king, that's even more cruel. You are now asking me to eat a rat, an innocent rat, just because of this dove who is supposed to be my prey. To save him, you are sacrificing and asking me to eat a rat? That's cruel." Then the king was perplexed and he said finally, "Then do one thing. Eat me, feed me." The eagle looked with a wry smile, a sarcastic smile, and said, "Oh, my mighty king, for how long are you going to sustain my hunger? Today I'll feed on you. And for how long? Ultimately, I'll have to feed on this dove and he has to die. He has to be my food. So to save him, you are ready to sacrifice other doves, other people, a rat, other animals, yourself. But you don't realize you are a foolish king. For how long will you sustain? If even if I eat you, ultimately this dove has to be fed on and will be fed on. So don't you see the point? Whom are you trying to save?" So sometimes decisions are very tough to take. And no matter what decisions you take, it backfires or it has a reaction. Today's situation, if we look at, a lot of companies, they are in dilemma. Even in the last year's pandemic period, and so now as well, more so, that whether to let go of the executive level people, the junior people, or cut their salary, or should we let go of the leadership people or cut their salary, make it half or make it 10%. What do we do? How do we manage? The CEO and the big shots or the board, they kind of think. And no matter what they do, if they let go of the leadership or they cut the salary, they're unhappy, they leave, the whole system collapses. And then if they let this executive level, the lower level, the service people, they go, then isn't that also a difficult decision? So that dilemma of a leader, there is no recipe, and that is why, since there is no prescription, if you ask me, then what should they do? What should have the king done in that story, or in this situation, what would the board and the companies or the CEOs do? There is no prescription that I can give you. There is no ideas that I can give you, because that is why there is a leader, and that is why he has to take those tough calls. Thank you, friends, for watching this episode with me, and I hope you will find meaning and solutions through these spiritual talks to your management issues, daily lives, and any other situation that you are in. Have a good day and see you again.